Hello, welcome to Shop Talk. Today we're going to look at a Husqvarna 51. That's a 51cc 3.1 cubic inch motor. This one has a 24-inch bar and chain. That's a sprocket nose, 3/8 chisel bit skip tooth chain. And that chain is very good for the longer bars. And we'll just take a look at it, show you a few things on it. Good clean saw. Choke's right here. Automatic return on that choke. Got a working chain brake. Chain tensioner, loosen the nuts up. And right on this side over here is the adjuster. And take a look under the hood, see what it looks like. It's nice and clean under there. And it does run good. We'll fire it up here in a minute. We'll go out to the log deck and make a cut with it.